making $161, shorting AMC. Let's go. We are, this is a trade recap for the past couple of days. I've been in this trade for a couple of days. I think I talked about it on a live stream or two. And it really was a bigger picture breakdown on AMC, really. That I'm looking at the chart here in the 1 hour. I'm playing it, or I journal or I logged this as a 1 hour breakdown. Really all it was a breakdown of this trend or channel to the upside. And now that we broke down under, it was the low of Tuesday. Once that low broke on Wednesday, we were looking for a nice push down. I did take a partial profit on Wednesday afternoon, and because I'm holding overnight. Then I took a partial profit on Thursday afternoon, and I hit my final target. I finally sold all of the position at 411, but I got in short at 467, and my stop loss has never changed. So I actually moved my take profit down a little bit each day, because it was weak. It showed no signs of pushing up, and honestly, it still looks weak. It looks like we might even get 4 or even below 4 at some point in the near future. But I got well over a 3-to-1 risk reward for my original risk. So really was not a big trade, because I was playing sort of something that I don't play, although it is my strategy, but it's with a little twist. The twist was a trend. I usually do not play this, and so I log this as a trend line breakdown, which I usually don't trade. So I don't have enough data on this to like really be confident in trading this exact setup a lot. But in AMC's case, which I had actually had, I think 2 or 3 wins on over the past couple of weeks, I was like, let's see if we can give it a go, because I had been pretty good with AMC. So I'm like, okay, let's give it a go, and it worked. And does it mean that it's going to work for everything? No, but probabilities, maybe that's all that matters. So first take profit was a very small scale. I had essentially shorted 400 shares. We went with a 100 cover at 453, which was the first day, holding overnight the next day. I was like, yeah, I don't know if I want to do that. So I want to trim some just in case we had a push up overnight. We did not. Next day, I scaled another 100 shares out at 430. And then the final piece, actually, I sold at 412. So we took the rest of it off, the 200 shares off there. So that gets you to around, what is the number? 161 on AMC on the short side. And there you have it. That's the trade recap. If I jump back, I'm going to make very shortly after this, I'm going to make the May trade recap. So we'll dive deeper into these numbers, but you can kind of get a little preview of what that looks like. So finishing with around 14, unless I take a day trade today, which I don't think I will, but I could, I guess, in theory, if something looks beautiful. But $1,400 in profits, which was good, really good month, I think. And a 65% win rate, which is really good. That's much better than usual, but at the same time, I had 2 months prior that were in the 40s, so it kind of evens out a bit. And then an amazingly beautiful, I think, average win-loss, which I'm super happy about. So there you have it. That's the recap. I'll leave a link to TradeZella below, like always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.